If you're new to Agile, the first thing to establish is if you're talking about Agile with a lowercase a or Agile with a capital A. Agile with a lowercase a means the ability to move quickly and easily. When used with a capital A, Agile refers to a collection of approaches to develop software iteratively and incrementally. The most famous of these is Scrum. Obviously, Agile was developed to allow organizations to develop software more quickly and easily, but going Agile on its own will not automatically result in a more agile organization. Rather than providing a framework or methodology to apply, Agile refers to a set of values and principles that lead to a specific mindset and culture. Typically, Agile organizations are customer-centric, lean, collaborative, and communicative. Agile organizations are also result-oriented, reflective, adaptive, and consistent. Finally, a key to a successful Agile organization is ensuring that performance is measurable. The underlying principles of Agile were first laid out in the Agile Manifesto in 2001. This states that Agile software developers value individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiations, and responding to change over following a plan. Agile development is also directed by 12 guiding principles. These encourage Agile teams to make customer satisfaction their highest priority and embrace change, even late in development. Agile teams should deliver working software frequently, work together with the business, motivate and trust people, and prioritize face-to-face communication. Progress should be measured through the delivery of working software. A sustainable pace of work should be set, and technical excellence and good design should be prioritized. Finally, Agile teams try to keep processes as simple as possible, organize their own work, reflect and readjust their behavior, and continuously improve. Traditionally, ITSM has focused on comprehensive processes, documentation, and service-level agreements, so it may not be immediately apparent how Agile principles can reconcile with ITSM. However, the Agile Manifesto doesn't reject processes and documents. It just recognizes the greater value in relationships and working products. The central ethos of Agile is to value outcomes more than artifacts and ensure that only just enough documentation and contracts exist to facilitate value creation.